A Letter from Your Teacher on the Last Day of School. Written by Shannon Olson, illustrated by Sandy Sankey, and narrated by Mrs. Dyer. Dear student, how are you? It's me again. As your teacher and your friend, I just can't believe this school year is now coming to an end. Can you think way back to our first day of school? You might have felt unsure, meeting new friends and learning rules. But it did not take long for all of us to discover that our class was something special and unlike any other. We grew to be a family, as you all learned and made mistakes. You've laughed a lot together too. We needed those brain breaks. You added and subtracted and practiced strategies in math. When given a word problem, you worked to find a path. We asked questions during reading and answered quite a few. You wrote sentences with capitals, ending with punctuation too. We had fun events this year, and many holidays no less. You smiled big on picture day, and we can't forget recess. Days weren't always perfect. Some work was even tough, but every time you tried your best, that was always good enough. Not only am I proud of all the hard work you have done, but you've also made good choices, and I know you've only just begun. It might feel sad to say goodbye. Change can be hard for everyone, but you're ready for new challenges and a summer full of fun. As you start a brand new grade, I have no doubt you'll be a star. Your new teacher will soon learn just how wonderful you are. We'll always have our memories, even when this year is through. You've become a special part of me, and our class is now a part of you. Love, Mrs. Dyer. I wish you all the best in 4th grade. I hope you all stay in touch. Have a wonderful summer. I will miss you all.